Okay, so it's 4:50 in the morning, and as you'll be able to notice, there is a noise in the house. Do you hear that? That is a smoke detector with a bad battery. So I'm going to take the time this morning to make a video and show you how to replace the battery. So the first thing you have to do is locate the bad smoke detector. If it looks like this, you just take it and turn it a little bit, pop it off, and there's a plug on the back. Take this into here. Flip it over, you'll see a battery compartment. So open that up, pull a little black tab. There's your bad battery. There's your good battery. Now, it has little things right here that indicate how the battery goes back in the smoke detector. I'll flip this little black felt thing out of the way. You want to make sure this little red thing is down. So, I'll take the battery, align it correctly. Slide the little red thing over and push the battery down. The battery is now replaced. Okay, so once you have that done, you want to push the little wires back into that hole. Align it so it goes back in the holes, and then turn it to snap it in place. Pretty simple process. I recommend doing that, changing all the batteries every time the time changes, which is usually October and March. This just ensures that this doesn't happen. I did not do that this past October, and this is my problem. So they always tend to go off